Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, so calls just on the unfiltered. Today's DTE went up as price did, and we'll take a look real quick at flow line so I can show you what I mean there. Flow line longer DTEs were a little bit more bearish, but today for just our 0 day, we did get that rise up from those dips as we went along there. Jumping into the rest of everything else, we did finish with a small green DEX 2 in a row. Jumping into our customer sentiment and our whale targets. Whale targets remain the same: 630, 629, and 600. No sweat there. Customers are still in short the pop mode, which is actually somewhat worked a little bit the past 2 days as we've been able to get those big rips and then some clips right after, but nothing has really moved much. As you can see here, we're staying in that same tight range. Consolidation for the next move. Jumping into our dark pools, no sig prints to worry about, and 624, that area is where we were at yesterday. For our largest ag, we are still there. We've not quite gotten there yet. We do see some dark pools moving up and gaining a little bit of momentum here, like 630, 68. That wasn't there come Sunday night, but now it is. Mark these on your charts or use the bot ping like I do in the Discord. Jumping into our gamma. All right, once again, thin gamma from 624 up to 634, and then thin gamma again from 634 to 650. We'll put an X on that 650 for now, pretty far away. This is a more reasonable range for now. If we start to rip above this and hold, then we know we could see a cheek clapping rally as we go. Biggest pull on the board, 630 right now, and that's about where we are in the overnight session, just shy. Once again, thin gamma can give us quick volatile moves. We saw some $3 or $4 moves today, back and forth. That is something we like to see. That volatility is fun to trade. Can't hold long, but it is a good time. Jumping into 723, let's see what tomorrow brings. Roughly the same thing, 624, and then up to 632 really. Biggest pull for tomorrow is 625, so quite a bit lower than we are now. So our nice range for tomorrow, if we can eclipse it all and cover some of that thin gamma, will be at 632 down to 624. So keep an eye there. We won't worry about the break of that yet unless we see a bunch of bullish flow and zeros pulling up. We do have a lot of earnings tomorrow that are big hitters like Google and Tesla and IBM, so keep an eye there as well. So pretty easy range. If we can cover it all, that'd be a blast. Maybe a little bit of stoppage at 630 and 631. If we can get to 632 and repel away and see a flow shift, then we can get down. And then obviously if we get down to 624, 623 and hold and see flow shift to the upside. That's simple for everybody. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.